Hey, hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel guys. In today's video I will show you guys how I eat my white rice and my ayamase sauce. Look delicious guys. Am I going to use my hand or I'm going to use the spoon, the fork and the knife? No, I want to use my hand as usual. So watch me guys as I continue. This bone is very big. So today I will be using the spoon to take it, the sauce there. I'll be using, let me start guys. Today I will be using the spoon to put the soup. Yeah. The egg, the fish, and the bone means here is my habanero pepper, hot chili pepper. Here is my sake. You can perfume the aroma of this soup. This bone is big, eh? It has been long. I've been waiting to eat this ayamase sauce. Where are you going? Come here. You are the first to eat today. I'm going to finish this big bone of rice today. You see the way I'm turning it with my hand? It gives more taste. Rice is my best food. I can't stay a day without eating rice. I can't stay. I'm sorry. I don't like spoon for it. I take it like this, it's very easy. You know, when you go to some restaurant, some people will be forming eat fufu with spoon and with knife and fork. Huh? I can't do that. I can travel to the richest country in the world or go to the best restaurant in the world. If there is fufu, I will use my hand. Why will I form? I won't form. I will use my hand. See the way I'm licking it. So I'm going to finish it because that's the lecture. I remember the last time I went to Africa. So I went to one of the fast food as we order. So there's a lady and the boyfriend, or is there, I don't know. They ordered for pounded yam. Where is knife and fork? I don't know. I asked my cousin, what? He's going to use fork and knife. My cousin said, yes, so that's how they eat here. She asked me, what are you going to use? I said, what am I going to use? He said, so you're not, please, so don't try it, so they will laugh at you. I said, don't worry, let them laugh. I'm the one that pays my money. So, I ordered for pounded yam and green vegetable. In her presence, I wash my hand. No, I'm ashamed of you. No, I'm ashamed of you. Look at the way people is looking. I said, looking? I said, they can look. If you see the way I was cutting it, Someone just passed, he said, you are really enjoying this food. I said yes, so I'm just enjoying it. Mm. A lot of them, they were just looking. I don't care. When I finish eating, I leave the plate because I want to get my cousin. And then so I leave the plate for me. I said, oh, it's so sweet. My cousin said, next time I'm not going out with you to the restaurant. I said, I don't care. I pay less if you don't come with me. It's a business. How can I use knife and fork to eat pounded yam? She could have told me to use knife and fork to eat stash, not pounded yam. Or if you are telling me to use fork and knife to drink tea, to eat tea, not with the spoon. In this world, you have to do what makes you happy. What you like is not what others like. Do what will make you happy. Okay? Don't look at what people will say. Then say. Don't look at that. When you listen to what people say, you are not moving forward. If you want to become a great person in this world, you don't have to listen to what people are saying. Because when you start listening to what people are saying, your life is not moving forward anymore. I do everything that comes from my mind. Let me take my limoncello. Okay, it's very good for digestion, but it's a bit alcoholic. Guys, thanks for watching. When you come across this video, try and like, share. Don't forget to on that bell, okay? In case anytime I'm uploading a video or anytime I put on anything, you will be the first to get it. Okay, bye bye. See you next time in my video. Bye.